Hello guys, welcome to Cognition Craze YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn use Lightning Data Service to work with data model in LWC. So first what we gonna do, we will first, before we begin, create a Trailhead playground. Here are some codes have been given which you can go through. I will directly start the challenge. So here it is mentioned that create a new Trailhead playground. So we'll come down and we have to also then reset our username and password. So we'll come here, done. Click on these three dots, select create new, create playground. You can give any name. For my understanding, I'm giving it LWC module 2 and create. This will take few minutes. Let's wait. Yep, so our new playground is ready. Now we'll go to the launch the org. So here instructions have been given. You can go through. If you do not find your playground starter, you can go to app launcher and then open playground starter and follow the steps, and can click on get your login credential and reset password. So I'll come here and then click on reset password. Also I'll copy my username. So when we click on reset password, we will get email like this, and we can click on it and click on reset password. Then we can enter a new password. Now once we reset our password, we will go to the VS Code and create a new project. So open open your VS Code, click on View, Command Palette. Then click on SFDX Create Project. Select Standard Project Template. Then enter the project name. Let's copy the project name here. What it is given: working with data in LWC. Now select one folder. So I'm gonna choose D drive. Now what next? Now we will again authorize our playground for this VS Code. As here mentioned, authorize your Trailhead playground and follow these steps. For aliases, we can choose this name, so I'll copy this here. So first in command palette we need to type sfdx authorize and org. Click on view, command palette, sfdx authorize and org. And after authorize and org we have to select production. Then we will enter the aliases, paste here, enter. Yeah, so here it has been launched. Now I have copied my username already. I can enter here. Let's reconfirm. Okay, it's here only. Click on allow access. So we have logged in successfully. Now get back here. After successfully logged in, what we're gonna do? We'll go to setup and create an app builder page. So click on setup. Type app builder. So lightning app builder we will select. Now here select new. Click on, it's by default it is only selected. We will select app page, then click on next, then give a title. So we have to give a title, working with data. Click on next, then what it's saying, for layout choose header and left sidebar. So we will select header and left sidebar. It is already selected, so I will just click on done. Now save and activate. Now come back. Click on the 9 dots on your left hand side top right corner. Type your app name, work with, working with data, sorry. And yeah, this is the app that we have created, and you can't see here anything for now because we did not deploy our LWC component and it needs to be developed. Now let's come to the challenge. So what it is saying, use lightning record form to create a lightning web component that allows you to create contact records. Remember that JavaScript is case sensitive programming language. Be careful to use uppercase and lowercase letters correctly. So just copy this name, create lightning web component, contact creator. We have to create contact creator component. Now come to your Visual Code. Here click on force app main default. Here click on LWC, and on LWC just right click and select create lightning web component. SFTX create lightning web component. Then enter desired name, the one which we have copied, contact creator, paste here and then enter. Then again force app main default, again create, again enter. Then you can see the files have been created. Now coming back here on the challenge, so we can see here already some code has been given. So we will go to account creator HTML. Yeah, so this is account creator.html. We'll copy this and come back to Visual Studio and come to contact creator HTML. Here we're gonna paste the code, then Control S to save. Then let's see what else have been given. Implement an event handler, name handle success, event on success active, show the ID of the created component in toast message. So let's go to account creator.js. Yeah, so this is account creator.js file. Copy it. Then come to Visual Studio. Click on contact creator.js, Control A, V, S. So yeah, this is here now. Let's go to the org, go to setup, Object manager. Type contact. We'll go to the contact object. Yeah, so this is the API name of contact. Just I was confirming. Now we will make some changes into the code. So here we can see account name has been given. We don't need an account, we need a contact object, right? So we will copy this, paste here. Now again here we can see account, so I will paste here contact. Here also contact object, then class name should also be changed. And then here contact created instead account created. Now on line number 4 we can see different field names than we expect in our challenge. Come down and check. So what we need is a first name, last name and email. So I'll copy this and then on line number 4 I'll remove this name and paste first name. Then we need last name, so I'll copy this and again paste the second field. Then email. So we have changed first name, last name, email. Second thing at the end, still post contact we see different field name, contact.name, annual revenue, industry, that we don't need. So what we need is our first name, last name and email. So again I'm gonna copy this and paste here. then last email, instigate industry. Now what next? Coming to line number 9. Here also we need to change the field's name, first name, last name and email. Control C. Now what has given here? Add the component to the working with data page. So go to meta XML file, account creator, yeah, so this is the file. I'm gonna copy and paste in contact creator JS meta XML. Then for making sure you save all the changes, if you're not saved, you can click save all. Now click on force admin, default, right click, deploy source to org. Yeah, so once it is deployed, we can come to our org, refresh the page, sorry, not refresh, we're gonna edit the page. Move the cursor down, and what we can see here are custom LWC component, that is contact creator. Just drag it on the top, yeah, so we can see here first name, last name, email. Now we can save it and activate the page. So now we can see here first name, last name and email what we have created in our LWC. Coming back to the challenge. Now what it is asking, use the contact creator component to create a contact, that is Lisa Jones and her email. So let's copy Lisa's first name, then her last name, then copy email, and save it. Now check for your 500 points. Yeah, so we have completed this assessment and got 500 points. So thanks for watching, guys, and sorry for the background noise. I don't have a noise cancellation mic, so you can get a little bit disturbance in the background. Yeah, thanks. Okay, bye.